Omega-3 and omega-6 are essential fatty acids, which means your body cannot produce it. Therefore, EPA and DHA are preferred for their potent health benefits compared to ALA. This allows individuals to benefit from essential fatty acids while respecting their dietary choices. Is omega-369 3 times better than omega-3? Let's understand what these fatty acids are and their individual benefits. और ये काम कैसे करता है so that you can make an informed decision. First, let's know what are omega-3, omega-6 and omega-9. Omega-3 and omega-6 are essential fatty acids, which means your body cannot produce it. आपको इसे external sources से ही लेना होगा. और ये fatty acids usually आपको fish, chia seeds, flax seeds, almond और walnut से ही मिलता है. On the other hand, omega-9 is a non-essential fatty acid. मतलब तुम्हारी बॉडी उसे प्रोड्यूस कर सकती है फ्रॉम अदर फैट्स प्रेजेंट इन योर बॉडी. टॉकिंग अबाउट द प्रोज ऑफ ओमेगा-3, सबसे पहले बात आती है हार्ट हेल्थ की. दे हेल्प रिड्यूस इन्फ्लेमेशन. दे आर ऑल्सो एसेंशियल फॉर मेंटेनिंग ब्रेन हेल्थ. They support cognitive function and memory. फिर आता है आपका joint health. They reduce inflammation, which can help reduce swelling and tenderness of joints. But now the question is how? Omega-3 reduces swelling by calming the inflammation in the body. They help create anti-inflammatory molecules and block signals that trigger swelling and pain. This helps maintain healthier cells. अब समझते हैं omega-6 के बारे में. ओमेगा-6 फैटी एसिड्स भी आपकी हेल्थ के लिए बहुत बेनिफिशियल है. ये स्किन को मॉइस्चराइज्ड और हाइड्रेटेड रखता है, जिससे स्किन में एक्ने और ड्राइनेस कम होता है. हेयर ग्रोथ को भी प्रमोट करता है और हेयर फॉलिकल्स को भी स्ट्रॉन्ग बनाता है. ओमेगा-6 फैटी एसिड्स बोन्स को हेल्दी बनाने के लिए भी बहुत हेल्प करता है, क्योंकि ये बोन डेंसिटी को मेंटेन करता है और इन्फ्लेमेशन को रिड्यूस करता है. ऑल्सो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, मेटाबॉलिज्म को रेगुलेट करने के लिए भी इट प्लेज अ वेरी क्रूशियल रोल. नाउ लेट्स टॉक अबाउट प्रोज ऑफ ओमेगा-9. ओमेगा-9 फैटी एसिड्स ऑफर देयर ओन सेट ऑफ बेनिफिट्स. They can help reduce the risk of heart disease by lowering the bad cholesterol LDL and increasing the good cholesterol HDL. Joints के लिए भी omega-9 can help reduce inflammation, which is beneficial for conditions like arthritis. It also provides a good source of energy. So is omega-369 better than omega-3? The answer is not that straightforward. Each type of omega fatty acids offer unique benefits and they work together to support overall health. However, omega-3 supplementation is particularly important because आपकी बॉडी उसे प्रोड्यूस नहीं कर सकती and it is also not typically abundant in your Indian diet. Omega-3 are crucial for reducing inflammation and supporting heart and brain health. While a balanced intake of all these omegas is beneficial, prioritizing omega-3 can have a significant impact on your overall well-being. There are three main types of omega-3 fatty acids: EPA, DHA and ALA. ALA is a precursor to EPA and DHA and it is found in plant sources like flaxseed and walnut. EPA and DHA are primarily found in fatty fish like salmon and mackerel. They are directly used by the body and play a crucial role in brain function, heart health and reducing inflammation. They are particularly beneficial for cardiovascular health. They are particularly beneficial for cognitive function and reducing the risk of chronic diseases. ALA beneficial तो है, but उसे बॉडी में EPA और DHA में कन्वर्ट होना पड़ता है and this conversion is not that efficient. Therefore, EPA and DHA are preferred for their potent health benefits compared to ALA. Those who have specific dietary preferences, they can explore vegetarian options of omega-369 supplements. This allows individuals to benefit from essential fatty acids while respecting their dietary choices. Recognizing that having access to these essential nutrients in any form is beneficial. Thank you for watching and for more such informative videos, do subscribe this channel.